Welcome to 998 County Road, 1270 in Alvord, Texas. This stunning property just came on the market for sale by the Christian Group Properties team with Keller Williams Realty, Fort Worth. Here we survey the property with an overhead view, noting how the home in combination with the pool and workshop and outdoor kitchen are exquisitely arranged for the perfect, luxurious country lifestyle. Stay with us as we tour this 10-acre property, located within the serene surroundings of the LBJ National Grasslands. And note that it's conveniently located just 10 minutes from Decatur, Texas, where you will find everything, including shopping and restaurants, you could ever need. As you turn onto the property, you're greeted by a gated and landscaped entrance. Also located in the front is a large tank for livestock, and the front elevation of the home is designed as a ranch-style property. The kitchen is centrally located to the living room and dining room, and it boasts granite counters and a large island with sink, pantry, double ovens, and a gas cooktop. Elegant bamboo wood floors grace the expansive great room and flow throughout the home. A handsome gas fireplace, sophisticated stone facade, opulent mantel, and sleek television is the focal point, flanked by built-ins on either side. The cathedral ceiling adds grandeur for a breathtaking effect. Step into your own personal oasis in the spacious and opulent private master retreat. Custom closets, a convenient dressing bench, and a lavish en-suite bathroom with dual sinks and a separate shower await you. The master retreat also offers stunning views of the covered patio and sparkling pool, allowing you to relax and unwind in complete luxury. Come and immerse yourself in the cozy master retreat bath, where vanities featuring exquisite granite counters are elegantly set on sleek tile floors. The beautifully tiled shower offers two entrances on either side, ensuring a truly functional design with dual shower heads and abundant space for a deluxe bathing experience. Equipped with a convenient dog bathing area and a dog door leading to a spacious fenced outdoor area, your furry friends will feel right at home in this room. Down this hall lies the laundry room, 2 bedrooms, and lots of storage. To our right lies a nicely appointed half bath with a convenient door to the covered patio and pool area. Further down the hall, and convenient to the kitchen, is a large laundry or utility room with space for a side-by-side refrigerator. Next, we come to the second bedroom with built-ins, which would make for a nice office. And the third bedroom has a view from the front of the house and an ensuite bath with sink, vanity, granite counters, and a tiled step-in shower. And here is the fourth bedroom. It features built-ins and direct access into a large safe room for your valuables, or can be used as a shelter from storms. Ideal for hosting gatherings, the expansive covered patio seamlessly transitions indoors with stunning folding glass doors. The grand opening is both visually striking and allows for a seamless flow between the indoor living spaces and the outdoor pool area. Indulge in luxury living with a custom-crafted swimming pool boasting a picturesque rock waterfall, relaxing hot tub, and spacious deck. Adjacent to this oasis is a large outdoor kitchen, perfect for hosting unforgettable soirees by the pool. Treat yourself to the ultimate outdoor entertaining experience. And the outdoor fire pit will enhance any outdoor activity, especially in the cooler months of the year. Step into this area in the workshop, a versatile space that can be transformed into the ultimate workout sanctuary, a storage haven, or even a creative crafting area. The possibilities are endless as you envision the potential of this multifunctional room. Now we enter through the next door, The workshop garage is a car enthusiast's dream come true. With enough space to comfortably fit up to 4 cars and an RV, this garage is perfect for housing all of your precious vehicles. The built-in 11,000-pound car lift adds an extra element of functionality, allowing you to easily work on your cars just like a professional mechanic would. Whether you're a gearhead looking to tinker with your vehicles or simply in need of extra storage space, this workshop garage has everything you could possibly need. Step into the charming upstairs guest quarters, a versatile space perfect for welcoming overnight guests, accommodating a live-in caretaker, or providing a private haven for a family member. The guest quarters boast a spacious full kitchen, a luxurious full bath, a cozy bedroom, and a cleverly hidden utility area tucked away within the bedroom closet. Whether you're hosting friends for the weekend, caring for a loved one, or simply seeking a peaceful retreat, this stylish and well-appointed space has you covered. The property also has its own well and includes a full RV hookup under roof on the north end of the workshop. This is truly a property that has it all. With its ideal location within the LBJ National Grasslands and its picturesque views, 998 County Road 1270 in Alvord, Texas, offers the perfect combination of luxury and natural beauty right within the grasslands. Contact us today to experience this unique property for yourself. Thank you for watching.